Today I'm going to highlight a Web 2.0 tool called JS Knightlab. JS Knightlab is a free website that works with Google to create interactive timelines. To start, simply find your way to the JS Knightlab website and click on Make a Timeline. This will bring you to a page outlining the 4 easy steps to create an engaging timeline. You will click the Get the Spreadsheet Template button under Step 1. This will retrieve for you a Google Sheet that will automatically be stored in your drive if you are signed into Google Chrome. Here it is in my Google Drive. Once you have your template, you will want to make a copy of it and rename it. Simply go to File, make a copy, and then rename it what you'd like. Notice that there is a lot of information in this spreadsheet. If you put your cursor on the top row, you will notice the sheet will give you guidance. Many of these categories are optional, however, the first category is required. You may add as much or as little information as you want to your sheet. Note, the more information you have, the more will appear in your timeline. I always require my students to complete the year, the headline, the text, and the media column. Whenever possible, the media credit column is also required. This will be the categories where the students are demonstrating his or her learning. The column media is going to be the most enjoyable for your students. This is where they may find either images, videos from YouTube, or websites. You will use the hyperlink button with your students. After you find that image, you will go and find the URL address of it, and you will copy and paste it in this column. Now that you understand the spreadsheet, we can delete the information that was automatically on our sheet and input our own. Here is the Google Sheet that I've already completed for the history of social networking. After I did my research, I inputted my years. I didn't necessarily have more than that. I also didn't put in my end years because I kind of felt like things were overlapping. If I wanted a different display date other than the year, I could put that information in this column. And then I started with the bulk of my information. I put a headline for each year and then a brief explanation of what happened. My media is going to link directly to the image, the website, or the video that I wanted to display. Once I have all of my information inputted into my Google Sheet, I can then go and publish this to the web to continue on to the next step. To publish a Google Sheet to the web, you're simply going to go to File, Publish to the Web. You're going to leave it as a link and you're going to hit Publish. This is going to give you a URL address that you can now copy and paste into the JS Knightlab website. I'm going to go ahead and copy this link, return to my JS Knightlab website, and I'm going to paste that link directly into here. I'm going to preview it so that you can see what it's going to look like. I can simply cycle through my interactive timeline You'll notice that I have a broken link here, so I would want to go back and fix that. Same with this one. And I've even inputted a video into Facebook. Since you have published your Google Sheet to the web, any changes that you make, such as fixing my broken links, are automatically going to be changed in your interactive timeline. So you don't have to necessarily worry about changing your timeline on the website each time you change something in your template. Once you are happy with your interactive timeline, you can then grab this embed code and you can place it anywhere that you want. I like to create wiki pages for my students in class and then have them copy and paste it directly on that one website so that everybody can see all of the students' interactive timelines. I hope you have fun with this. Enjoy.